If you're tired all day, no matter how much sleep, coffee, or being healthy you do, it's not your age. And it's not burnout. It's 3 hormone switches no one ever taught women after 30. Welcome to Rooted Vitality 365, where I help women 30 plus fix energy and balance hormones naturally with simple, science-backed habits you can actually stick to. If you feel tired, foggy, overwhelmed, or like you're pushing through every single day, you're not failing. Your body is protecting you. Because when cortisol, insulin, and your sleep hormones fall out of rhythm, your entire system shifts into survival mode. Your energy slows, your cravings increase, your motivation disappears. And that's not a character flaw, it's chemistry. Think of your hormones like traffic lights. Red means you're running on empty. Yellow means stress is building, and green means steady energy. And most women over 30 live stuck at that yellow or red light. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because no one ever taught them how to support what their hormones actually need. Let's break down the 3 hormones that control your energy every day. First is cortisol. Cortisol is supposed to peak in the morning and slowly fall throughout the day. But when you're constantly stressed from work, kids, undereating, late nights, cortisol stays elevated. High cortisol leads to belly fat, afternoon crashes, and feeling wired but tired at night. Second is blood sugar and insulin. After 30, our bodies become more sensitive to blood sugar swings. Big spikes lead to big crashes. And that crash is the exhaustion that hits you mid-morning or mid-afternoon. And when insulin stays high, your body can't burn stored energy, so you feel sluggish and hungry all day long. Third is sleep repair. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body does major hormone repair work, resetting cortisol, appetite hormones, and cellular repair. But if your blood sugar drops too low at night, your body releases cortisol to keep you alive. You don't feel it happening, but you wake up foggy, puffy, and exhausted. The good news is you can rebalance all 3 of these hormones with just 3 simple daily habits. Habit number 1 is a protein-first breakfast. This is one of the fastest ways to lower morning cortisol and get your energy back. When you skip breakfast or start the day with just sugar, even something like fruit alone, cortisol stays high and your cravings spike all day long. But when the first thing you eat is protein plus healthy fats, your body immediately feels safer. Your blood sugar stays steady and your energy stays consistent. How to do it? Eat 20 to 30 grams of protein within 1 to 2 hours of waking. This can be Greek yogurt with chia seeds and nuts, eggs with avocado, cottage cheese with berries, or a protein shake blended with nut butter. Try this for 3 days and notice how much calmer your mornings feel. Habit number 2 is a simple 10-minute walk after meals. This is one of the easiest hormone tools and almost no one uses it. A short walk, even slow, can lower your blood sugar spike by up to 30%. Lower spikes mean fewer crashes, fewer cravings, and much more stable energy. So for this one, after lunch or dinner, just walk for 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't need to be fast. It doesn't need to be outside. It doesn't need to be a workout. Just movement. Habit number 3 is a nighttime hormone anchor. This is the one women never hear about. Going to bed too hungry causes your blood sugar to dip during the night. Your body panics, releases cortisol, and you wake up exhausted. But when you give your body stable fuel before bed, your hormones can actually repair. So for this one, you want to eat a protein plus healthy fat mini snack about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Something like 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, a handful of almonds, half an avocado, or Greek yogurt with cinnamon. This keeps your blood sugar steady overnight and helps your body make melatonin naturally. I used to think being tired all day meant something was wrong with me. Like I just needed to push harder, drink more caffeine, or maybe wake up earlier and be more productive. But when I started adding these 3 habits, morning protein, short walks after meals, and balanced snacks before bed, everything shifted. My cravings dropped, my energy became steady again, and for the first time in years, I woke up feeling like myself. Your body wants to help you. It just needs the right signals. Okay, ladies, so let's recap. Protein first breakfast to lower cortisol, a 10-minute walk after meals to control insulin, and a nighttime hormone anchor to support sleep repair. If you try these for 7 days, you will feel the difference in your energy, mood, and cravings. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and check out my video, The Hormone Switch Ozempic Mimics, and how to achieve it naturally. It's the perfect next step if you want a deeper dive into energy and hormone support. Your energy isn't gone. It's just waiting for the right habits.